PSEUDONAJA NUCHALIS. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Subphylum, Vertebrata. Class, Reptilia. Order, Squamata. Suborder, Serpents. Family, Elapidae. Genus, PSEUDONAJA. Species, PSEUDONAJA nuchalis. PSEUDONAJA nuchalis, the northern brown snake or guardar, is a species of very fast, highly venomous elapid snake native to Australia. Its color and pattern are rather variable, depending largely on its location. The name guardar is a word meaning go the long way around in an Aboriginal language. This may be regarded as advice for people who come across the species in the wild, that is, while P. nuchalis is generally cautious, shy, and inclined to retreat rather than attack, it will defend itself if cornered. Geography. Countries, Australia. Regions, Northern Territory, Queensland, Western Australia. Biogeographical realms, Australasian. Habits and lifestyle. Lifestyle, terrestrial. Diet and nutrition. They are carnivores. Their diet consists mainly of small mammals, birds, and lizards. Population. Population trend. Decreasing. Population status. Data deficient, DD. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment below to know your own view.